Welcome back, Land Cruiser Restorations. This is a beauty. It's a 1984 FJ60 done in our own color green. They made the FJ60 from 1981 to 1987. And then for the following 3 years, they made the FJ62 version. Biggest difference in the two, the FJ60 was carbureted, manual windows. The FJ62 was fuel injected, power windows, power lock, push button, 4-wheel drive. A lot of folks prefer the FJ60 simply because of the retro look of the single round headlights. So what you're looking at here is one that belongs to a gentleman in Colombia, South America. This is his dream vehicle. He had it custom built for a trip that he's going to take from here probably to South America. He's going to drive the whole distance, across the Panama Canal and on down. It's got LED headlights. Front bumper is made by us, Land Cruiser Restorations. Comes with LED built-in lights. Those are Rigid Industry. A Warren 8,000 pound Warren rope winch. We've installed this one, Cummins R2.8 turbo diesel. I'll show you that in a minute. Those are European style retro exterior mirrors. These rock sliders are ones that we make in-house. They tie directly to the frame. They do function as rock sliders. They're not just for looks. Really nice stock rims, chrome. Again, hard to find. This here is our own roof rack design. Full mesh bottom. Really hauled quite a bit on it. Nice and sturdy, heavy built. These are Rigid Industry round spotlights. The two in the center are the amber fog. Go on around to the tail end. And that also is bumper that we make, the rear bumper. This one has rear lockers. It's going to have a bunch of extras that he bought. It's got inverters. It's got a custom sound system with Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera, our own custom-made door panels, flip-out screen, cruiser crap center console, which I think I showed that in the last video, but the neat thing about the cruiser crap center console is it has spots to install switches for any exterior lighting that you might want. It does have a hidden tray in the back that can only be accessed by lifting the lid. Again, it's got the Cummins R2.8 turbo. Has an automatic 6-speed GM transmission. There comes the DVD player. Full screen. Bluetooth, navigation, backup. Backup camera. say that this will probably get somewhere around 34 to 40 miles per gallon. Certainly beats the stock, which on a good day you get about 9 miles to a gallon going downhill with the wind to your back. Beautiful cruiser. We are extremely proud. I think the new owner is going to be pleasantly pleased. Until we meet again, thank you. Enjoy your day. Keep your fingers out of your mouth.